Hi guys, Sarmila here, and today I'm talking about how to do the third layer. So before that I was telling how to do cross. So first we need to cross, and as I tell you before that third layer has the 4 pattern. So first I already told that how to make cross. So now again how to make cross but all the side. So all the side means like here that cross, because did you see this line, and this side also, but here and here it's not equal. So we need all the side cross. And before that when I was telling first pattern, so that time we do that pattern, so that going to cross. So that cross is like this time I have that back side and right and back, okay, but sometimes it's happen it's back and front. So it doesn't matter that pattern I was telling to you, then you use that pattern, it's going to all side cross. So if you have like this is, see, this is right and this is back like that, so it depends how to hold the cube. So if you have back and front, so hold the cube, one side is back and one side is front like this, and same if I have like that this side, so I will hold like that. But right now I have that these two. So when the situation came like that, so always hold the cube like one side is going to your back side and second one is going to your left side, and hold this time and see this pattern. Take the screenshot this one. So if you see this one, they have all like up layer and right layer, but left layer only second step is only left, only this one 2 times. So take this screenshot, and this pattern when you are going to do this pattern, it's going to all side cross. So right now I have back and left side. If I was like back and front using same pattern, but when I was doing that, so that pattern is going to like that, we have the two side, one left side and one is back side, okay. So that time you need to using this pattern 2 times, but right now I have already two together like left and back, so only we need to 1 time. So the pattern is we holding the cube. This is important, means how to hold the cube, because if you are holding the different way, it's not going to work. That's why I'm telling hold, see this back and left side, okay, and then pattern is going to start 1, and I was saying the left side is 2 times, 1 2, then bring 3 4 5 6 7 8, and you can see all side cross. So I am telling step by step. Sometimes it depend up how to cube mix. So last time I was telling how to make cross, and that time I did 1 time and all the cube is sold all side that. But I am telling step by step, because third layer has 4 pattern. If you are depend up which situation you have, sometimes you are doing that first pattern and your cube completely sold. So step by step, anytime you can do till starting to end, you can do all see my pattern and you can do completely. So this third layer has that, this is the second pattern. So first we did the cross, and second this one we did all side cross, okay. So after that 2 more step there, and I will telling to one by one, so you can easily understand and you can solve the cube easily. So I am pretty sure if you are watching till starting to end, you can solve cube. You no need to any help and anything, but follow the steps. So guys, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have some questions, so please comment that. So I will try to make more understandable and this. So I try my best, but see you again in my next video. Bye.